In response to the recent announcement by the central government regarding the Citizenship Amendment Rules 2024, which seek to enforce the provisions of the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, several influential groups in Meghalaya, including the Nyotrep Youth Council, the Jaintia National Council, and the Confederation of Ribhoi People, have reached out to Meghalaya's Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, advocating for complete exemption from the CAA within the state and the implementation of the inner line permit system instead. These groups have raised concerns about the fact that while the CAA 2019 exempts certain tribal areas of the state, Meghalaya as a whole is not fully covered under the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution. They have pointed out areas within Shillong city where the 6th schedule does not apply and where there is a notable presence of immigrants. They have questioned how the state plans to prevent individuals from migrating to these areas and subsequently applying for citizenship under the Act without an effective mechanism in place to track their presence. Moreover, they have emphasized the potential spillover effects from neighboring states, particularly Assam, even if the majority of Meghalaya is exempted from the CAA 2019. Without regulations governing the influx of people into the state, they fear that the exemption would be ineffective, leading to unwanted population increases. They have stressed the urgent need for the implementation of the inner line permit system and complete exemption from the CAA to mitigate such scenarios. The pressure groups have urged upon the Chief Minister to appeal to the central government for full exemption from the CAA 2019 and its associated rules, while also calling for the swift extension of the ILP system in Meghalaya.
Kaliang Gajongi, Laiseng, Nyotrep Youth Council, HYC, Jaintia National Council, JNC, Hukum Juru Naka Confederation of Ribhoi People. Adin bang Ngilaya Shong, Ngilaya Shong Perkat, Baidei Bat Kiniki, Kawiniki, Mat Ki Bakata, Hamtame Yangi Kum Kajat Benrio. Ngilaya Iba Kakadway Trick U Mentau Benai, Ka Ministry of Home Affairs, Jong Kasorkar India, Kilapan Mi, Ya Ki Rules, Jong Ka Citizenship Amendment Rules, Arajar Arkusa. Akabala penbana baon penteri kamno yaki kendon jong ka CAA arja khat khandai hapo kari India hibrokwe hoi yaki tugi snem arja khat khandai hadin balami ka Citizenship Amendment Act jong snem arja khat khandai na kaliang kipat ba nong shong snong jong jela ba jong kari India hibrokwe harin kat bat ngi kum kiseng balang to kopor ngi la yami pat ba bandawa ba yakani ka an kabatmu ban pelong nong shong snong ya kita kijat benriu kibasyak khta lani kibasyak banben namar beki day na kanung no kakanja niam takalong kanyam Hindu Sikh Parsi Kristian ni gini gilai tili kiri ka Bangladesh ka Pakistan ba Afghanistan ka sarkar India ka thumu ban penstet ya ka proses na ka pentaban pelong yaki kum kita ginong shong gi pura jong kari India Akisnam aja khat khandai na kaliang gajongi rengkat bakiwe kiseng balang bakipai ba nong shong jong jelahi ngilami pat ba ban persya ya kani kaan But hadin kata na kalian dong kasarkar India kalawan ra itu ke kendon ke boong ba yakani ke CAA aja kat kendai onong penteri kam haki tribal areas lani haki jaka ki ba betip kum kita ki jaka ki ba hap hapo jong ke 6 schedule ke bangi ngi dan kani ke jela ke jongi hot ngilabon ong bale si lembaga ni ke jing yakhi jong pat ba lembaga jing simkya jong ki nong mi khmat ba jong kasarkar India kalala ban wanra ya taka kendon bahkan ni ka ansi i kanom trikam hakini ki tribal areas lani ki jaka ki bahap pok 6 schedule ne nakaliang ka jongi kum ki kunun sambalang ki bengedon hadin mengilai syong perkhan ngilayu iru e ka jingkran jong menteri rangba jong ka sarkar jela ka jongi hakini ki sngi ki beladap hakapor baka Ministry of Home Affairs ka penmi ya kani ki rules haka khatway trick jong matau benai kadai ki kentin ki bama uhi ula kren wong ba omborok kuwe ka jela ka jongi kalat na kajing penteri kami kani kaan ngimdai ban klet badang don ki jaka khamtam e ang niapo normal shilong kiba lat na kajing penteri kami kani kaan jong aja khat khandai kaumut ba kibri ki bosyong basa hakani ka normal shilong area ka bangiong kila ban apply ke citizenship lomba kani ka Citizenship Amendment Act jong snam aja khat khandai tikum ki senghalang ki basngukya ki bangilaris ya kani isu nakapor kumang iong mangidai jat benri ko beripat Tila datang di ki hajar ki pau hajar kum kini gijat beriu ki yo ya kalang ban apply ke citizenship lomba kini gijaka ki bedon ang ni po normal Shillong area kanja ayu yang kum gajat tente ngimla ban len baka sarkar jelah adu menta kamdon ya kanu kanu gajingkel pi gajingkeli ke bening kong ke bangi hak ban keli ke sarkar jelah kalong hatu pidon jingkel ni am kak nungut ki beriu ki basyong basa hapuk kani ke area ke bala khot kum ka normal Shillong hatu ke sarkar jelah ka don jingken ni am kat nungut na ginong syong syong gi basyong hang ni apo normal Shillong kila ban apply ka citizenship lomba kani ka ai ti ka jingkwa ka jongi na kaliang jongi ka HYC ka Jantia National Council ukum juru na ka ko kalong bangin tho ngilapan kre ka jing tho ka bangin submit menta ka singi ka office ng chief minister da ka babu ya ki artli ki jing dawa kabaningkong kalong hoat ni dokumen baka state ya kajala ka jongi la pelat na ka purview la ne ka jing pentri kam ya kani si ia aja khat nai ringim sohon pat namar bakhlem pelat pura amut ba umdei na kajala umdei bala pelat pura ya kajala ber kowe tingi so ban kentu ya ka sorka bakan ja ayu lada kaktu kan ningut la ne kaktu hajar ngut ki basyong hang ni hapo ka normal Shillong area ki apply ya ka citizenship ngiyo i ka jing ong jong chief minister bon ong ba kinong syok snong jo ka jala la ni giseng balang kim dei banting ba ngip ka sarkar India ka pentri kami kanikaan hanre umla apat bana assurance singi ba onom don wat uweru ubril la ne kaweru ka brio ka ban apply ka citizenship lembak ni ka jaka ka balat na ka jing pentri kami ka si